Good day. Dito tayo ngayon sa Cairo, Egypt. And this is the Grand Egyptian Museum, yung pinakabago nilang museum. And dito na, yung panaginip ko na gusto kong makita yung Mummy since naging fan ako ng The Mummy, the movie na lumabas noong 1996. So, meron na ngayon. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful. Saka, nakita ko na yung original na Mummy dito sa mismo sa Egypt. Thankful and blessed.
Welcome back sa Next on the Go. Today, we're stepping into a place where history comes alive. Welcome to the Grand Egyptian Museum right here in the heart of Cairo, Egypt. Ang laki at ang ganda ng architecture. This is the largest archaeological museum in the world, and it's just minutes away from the iconic pyramids of Giza. Here, you'll find 100,000 artifacts, including treasures from King Tutankhamun's tomb. Every corner tells a story that is 1,000 years old. Imagine, these statues have stood the test of time for more than 3,000 years. Nakakakilabot in the best way possible. Habang naglalakad ako sa mga malalaking pasilyo, ramdam ko ang laki ng ambag ng Egypt sa sining, agham at religion. Ang mga nakadisplay na mummies, artifacts at mga treasures ay tunay na kamanghang-mangha. Hindi lang basta tingin, para bang nakikipag-usap ka sa kasaysayan.
So, akala ko sa panaginip ko lang makikita to, but actually I'm here and I'm enjoying this beautiful moment. So, dapat walang nasayang na panahon. So, I'm just so grateful, so blessed. So, to God be the glory.
Pinahanga ako ng detalyadong carving sa pader at ang mga color na kahit ilang libong taon na nakalipas ay nananatiling buhay. Dito na kami sa second floor. Merong pyramids viewing area. At excited kami to see the pyramids up close. Di ko akalain na ganito kaganda ang view ng pyramids dito. Mismo, parang postcard lang. They even have the interactive exhibits where you can experience ancient Egypt in a whole new way. Perfect for history buffs and curious travelers alike. Habang nanonood ng mga relics at artifacts, nakaramdam ako ng malalim na koneksyon sa nakaraan. Ang pagkamangha at ang respeto sa kultura at pamana ng Egypt ay hindi lang pang edukasyon, kundi personal. Napaisip ako kung paano natin mas pinahalagahan ang kasaysayan sa ating sariling bansa. At kung paano tayo maaring matuto mula dito. Ang kasaysayan ng Egypt ay isang paalala. Ang mga sibilisasyon ay may malalim na kwento na dapat ingatan at ipagmalaki. Nakita ko rin ang kahalagahan ng museo bilang tulay sa pagitan ng nakaraan at kasalukuyan na nagbibigay inspirasyon sa mga susunod na henerasyon. At dito na magtatapos ang aming vlog for today. Kung gusto nyong maramdaman ang totoong kasaysayan, ang Grand Egyptian Museum ang place to be. Isa itong experience na di malilimutan. Thank you for watching Next on the Go, and I'll see you on the next adventure.
Ooh, you've got me thinking she's so cool, but I know when it's just another dude. Ooh, that's so true. Made it out alive, but I think I lost it. Said that I was fine, said it from the coffin. Remember how I died when you started walking? That's my life, that's my life. I'll put up a fight, thinking of my earring. Don't you know the vibe? Don't you know the feeling? You should spend the night, catch me on the ceiling. That's your prize, well.